up everyone? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Sophia and you're watching Sophia's. In this video, I'm going to be building my first ever PC and I'm really excited but also nervous because I've never done anything like this and that kind of scares me. Before we dive into this video, I did want to share a little disclaimer. I am not a professional at building computers, so please be kind in the comments. And I am in no way suggesting that this be a tutorial. This is purely me just sharing something that I really enjoy, something that excites me. So if you find something in this that inspires you, that's awesome. So yeah, let's get into this video. Now, you're probably sitting there thinking, hold on, isn't this a figure collecting YouTube channel? Well, yes, it is. But long story short, in the beginning of building this YouTube channel, I wanted to become a gaming streamer and stream games and do all of that cool stuff and build a Twitch following. However, at the time, I didn't have the right gear. And so to fill that space up, I decided to film myself unboxing all of my favorite anime figures. And that is kind of where we're at and how we've came to be here. It's been almost 6 months since I bought all of my gear and my parts, and it's about time that I just put everything together. So without further ado, let's build a PC together. doing it again. I've turned on the power supply and now I need to turn on the power button. It did it! It did it! Like, I'm really impressed with myself. Like, I got myself to this page. I built this thing. Hi! Hi! Yeah! We did it! We did it! We did it! I kind of had a plan going into building my PC. So it was one, what am I going to use my PC for? Gaming, great. YouTube videos, editing, great. And then around that, I started to research components that were going to, I guess, suit what I needed it for. How much data was I going to need? How much speed, or how good this was going to be, blah, blah, blah. So I made sure that I built that around my need. Number two, I thought about what my budget was gonna be like, because again, I speak about this in my other videos, budget is so important when it comes to buying anything that is more expensive than your grocery shopping. Okay, if you're spending money on really expensive technology, you're gonna wanna know what you're getting yourself into. So that will probably be one of my main points that I wanted to focus on during this build. Later on, all the things that really didn't matter the most was like color, RGB. Did I want to light my PC up like Christmas? Yes, I did. And yeah, just making sure that I had a plan going in. Once I bought everything, I needed to have all the right tools. A screwdriver, zip ties, a anti-static mat, even a grounding tool. But yeah, that was the kind of thought process when it came to my PC build. There is a fly in here and it's really bugging me. I don't know where it came from. And it's just flying around. Oh my gosh, I've lost what I was gonna say. So that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching along. Stay safe, take care, and I will see you guys in my next video.